OXXO, together with Inmersys, developed an innovative web-based training program, a 3D interactive experience that's intuitive and accessible for every team member. Here, new team members can explore and practice the processes and tasks they'll need for their day-to-day roles. Topics like dress code, store types, cleaning, planograms, cash register training, customer service, and more. An immersive simulation that blends theory, hands-on practice, and gamified assessments, helping reduce errors and encouraging continuous improvement. That's how OXXO, together with Inmersys, created a technology-driven training solution that transforms every collaborator's learning journey into a unique, engaging experience.